Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy, coming right back at you with another video. So today we're going to be talking about the lip trill and how the lip trill can really free up your voice and enhance your vocal training. But first, let's talk about it. So the lip trill is definitely one of my favorite exercises, along with the straw, the vocal tube, and the bratty meow. But the lip trill is a semi-occluded vocal tract exercise, which just means that the mouth is partially closed. The lip trill really alleviates that tension and pressure in the voice, so it really just frees up the voice for singing. So now let's do some exercises that are really just gonna help to free up your voice and enhance your vocal training. So in order to do the lip trill in the best way possible, you wanna take your fingers, place them on your jaw, and then push your cheekbones up towards your nose and blow air through your lips. You want to keep the sound loose and dopey and be mindful of your airflow so that you're not pushing too much air through your vocal cords whilst doing this exercise. Now the lip trill can be done by itself, but I love to combine it with other exercises that are really beneficial for my voice, so let me show you some of those exercises. The first exercise is the lip trill on the R and the A vowel on a siren, and this is going to be really good for just relaxing your voice as you work chest voice resonance. We're going to do the same thing again, but this time we're going to change the vowels to encourage more head voice resonance into the voice. Remember, the lip trill is keeping the voice nice and relaxed as we open up into the vowels. Now let's take it to the scale. We're going to do a combination of the lip trill into the wee. So the next one is the lip trill into the dopey. Bo, bo, bo. Bo as in book. Let me show you. Bo, 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 bo. So those were the exercises, and what I love about combining the lip trill with those exercises is that it really just relaxes the voice and enables the voice to really open up before you even get into the exercise itself, you know. But once you're comfortable with those exercises, you can begin to take the lip trill away and just bring it in as and when you need it. It's really going to help to build in that relaxed coordination into your voice and enhance your vocal training. Another thing that you can do with the lip trill is you can try it on your favorite song melody, lip trill the melody of the song, and then sing it, and you're going to find that your voice is going to be so much more open. So that is it for lip trills. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing below, hit that notification bell, and also share these videos with anyone you feel are going to find them beneficial. But that's pretty much it from me. Until next time, mwah, peace out.